Okay, hello YouTube. We've got a brand new viral system here to help you to generate traffic. Now, guys, this system that I've just brought out, brand new, is a kind of a mini version of the cash surf to cash formula. All right, so the surf to cash formula is quite an intensive setup process. Having said that, it's not that difficult, and I went through in a couple of days. Boom, I was set up completely, and it was it was easy to run, but there is quite a lot of work. But I think with this system we've scaled things down a little bit, and what we've got is we've got a very powerful little unique aspect to this, which will allow you to download the viral PDF. Okay, so this system is equipped with a very powerful viral PDF that's branded to you, and then this page is also branded to you as well, and that makes the entire system 100% completely free. All right, you don't have to use the Power Lead system, but the good news for you guys is that some of you may not have realized, I don't know, many of you should have realized, is that with the Power Lead system, there is actually a free lead system inside the Power Lead system. So in a sense, you could say that this is the free lead system version of the surf to cash formula, but it's a scaled down version. It's got some of the, the more, I don't know, easier to use tools, and we've taken some of the the extra stuff out. So you'll be able to get set up with this much quicker, much faster. You'll be able to whip through, and you'll be able to set this up. You don't have to spend any money in order to completely set this up. Now, so let me explain. So this is a viral page. Okay, it's branded to you in the URL. Okay, I've created this like kind of one-click brander. Okay, it's a page that's very dynamic. All it has is a special code at the end after the equals sign, which you're going to be able to set up. I'll show you how to do that. You'll also be able to get the link to this page below this video, which will then allow you to set this whole thing up anyway, because we've already got the video instructions that walks you 100% right the way through. But I want to show you how this works and how we've scaled it down. So instead of going through a funnel and getting set up on multiple pages, we've just got one simple download. It's a PDF, it rebrands to you, and it's very, very easy to set up. You watch the video, guys, very, very important. Download the PDF, which will be your PDF, okay, and it loads up. Here's the PDF. It loads up into your browser, or depending on your browser settings, it should load in your browser, or in some cases it might download the PDF, okay. It uses your default PDF viewer, okay, and we've got the Viral Lightning. Now the Viral Lightning, I've said it is free because let me just log into. Well, I'm not going to make this video long, but basically Viral Lightning has a very powerful feature. There are two entry points. You can either get full access to the software immediately, okay, and just pay the one-time fee. It's not very expensive, okay. Or you can just use, and what a lot of people have done is they've just used the Viral Social Connect feature, which will allow you to use this system, okay, and you'll be able to get access to Viral Lightning right here as a free member. But what you need to bear in mind is you'll be passing up a few leads to your upline, to your sponsor. Once you've passed up a few leads, the system automatically detects that and unlocks your entire system. So you didn't actually have to purchase that software. But I highly advise you to purchase that software because 99.9% of your work in this entire PDF is going to be done for you. Because we've down here we've added in the we've added in particularly the safe lists that work with that viral mailer. Now you can actually surf those safe lists manually, and that's fine. It won't take you very long. So yeah, like I say, this whole system is 100% free. Now this is the free lead system. Okay, you don't join the Power Lead system, you join the free lead system. This is great for your sponsor, especially if your sponsor has already joined the Power Lead system. If they've already upgraded in the Power Lead system, this is exciting because what they're doing is they're bringing in the leads through their own system. And if they intend to join or upgrade into Lead Lightning and then later into Power Lead system down the road, they will always be your lead. okay? Because the Power Lead system, the free lead system, and Lead Lightning and everything is all under the one system. So it's a good viral system to bring leads into the free lead system to begin with, and then once they join the free lead system and they want to, they want to connect with you, they want to work with you, they want to get to know you, build up that know, like, and trust. Eventually, they will want to join the Power Lead system, because this whole system is going to be promoted. And if they don't join, if they don't upgrade to the Lead Lightning or the Power Lead system, they might get pass-ups. Okay, they might get people who want to skip over and upgrade. So there's always that. Your Power Lead system is always going to send out emails to your leads, encouraging them, promoting to them, and it's all branded to you. So it's a very, very powerful indeed. So they can actually get a full free system for life, okay, using this, and it all works together. Now again, we've got the viral traffic rush, which will allow you to have your banner on hundreds of pages potentially, as you bring in people through this system. So this is a very viral system in itself. So this is the viral step. The second step is just to simply join Traffic Ad Bar. The reason why I've just put in Traffic Ad Bar and nothing else is because Traffic Ad Bar also has a very viral mechanism to it. I've built up the system. Some of you who've joined Traffic Ad Bar have noticed the ladder. Okay, this is a very unique feature. I've built up to high levels in the ladder, and now I'm able to generate a lot more traffic every day simply by using Traffic Ad Bar. So that's very, very powerful. Okay, and I do get leads and opt-ins just from this platform alone. Then we've got the safe lists. Okay, with all these safe lists, all these safe lists that I've listed here, all 8 of them, do actually work with the traffic bot, the traffic software that you'll get in step 1. Okay, so if you decided not to get access to that traffic bot, then you can still manually surf those and earn credits in order to send out emails to these lists. Then down here, it's got the next step, and you've got some instructions, and you copy the done for you email, and then you put your link in there. Your link is your free lead system link. Okay, in step 1, you join the free lead system, which is the part of the Power Lead system. You join that. And that's your link. You need to put in your link. Guys, you need to follow the steps. You need to watch the video on the first page. Okay, don't come back to me in my inbox asking me questions that already I have it in the instructions. Okay, now if you're already in the Power Lead system, then obviously what you do is you simply go into the Power Lead system and just grab your free lead system link. Just choose a page, copy it over, attach it to your domain, and then you'll be able to brand it using that link instead. Okay, and then you brand the PDF. You click this button and you go to the page. You just go through the entire step and brand the whole system. Guys, listen, pay attention. You need to put in a full URL to the free lead system. Okay, join the free lead system, but when you brand it in this box, you need to put your full URL. If you're only a free lead system member, you'll see the link to promote in the back office of your free lead system area. Okay, so you need to put that in there. Okay, it needs to be a full URL. If you're already an upgraded member of Power Lead system, you can put your own domain in there that points to a page that is the free lead system page. Okay, and then you just put in your IDs in all the other steps. Okay, skip the bottom. It says blank. Just skip that bottom one, but go through and you rebrand it. Okay, I'm just going to go quickly through. Okay, yeah, believe that. Okay, so then you just simply brand it, and you're immediately added to a page here. You just grab the encode. The video explains this in detail. I'm not going to do it in detail, but after the PDF after the slash, okay, pause the video just to understand, see what I'm doing here. Don't copy down the .pdf, just that end part of the URL. Copy that down, and then go back to the page you're on here. Okay, and right at the top here, okay, Okay, right at the top in the URL, after the equals sign, where it says ref equals, and then after that you just simply paste that portion of that PDF URL. Okay, you don't put the PDF at the end of it, just the last little part of it. Okay, the video here explains it in more detail. Okay, just watch this video and you'll be able to put that in there. Now what you do then is you just copy that. Okay, copy that whole URL, including the last part, which will then brand to you. Okay, make sure that it works. You can go through and test it, test all your links. And if for some reason the PDF is causing an error or whatever, you've probably copied this down wrong. Okay, this video explains exactly how to copy it. Okay, then you copy the whole URL. Okay, and then you go back into your own Power Lead system, or if you're only in the free lead system, if you didn't upgrade to the Power Lead system and you join the free lead system, guys, it's 100% free. So, you know, just go to My Company Admin. Okay, if you're in the free, if you join the free lead system, okay, it's all part of the system. I've created a demo account. If you're already upgraded, guys, you don't need to create a free lead system account. Okay, I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. Okay, then you click here and you watch the videos, you pay attention, you go through the steps, and you simply paste this entire URL into that step and you click update. Okay, and then you just copy this link out. Okay, and then you just simply promote that link. Okay, pay attention to the instructions here because they don't like you sharing it out on social media, so you've got some other options there. But basically what you do with that link is you go back to the PDF that you've your own PDF or whatever, but you need the instructions, because once you've created that link, you need to go back to after you joined the traffic ad bar, you need to put that link into the traffic ad bar. Okay, and also in these safe lists, when you send out the email, okay, down here you can copy and paste the email. Where it says your link, you put in your free lead system link. Okay, now guys, if you're already using the cash to surf, the surf to cash formula, you don't really need this system. Now you might as well get set up, because you might get some leads coming through who don't want to get set up with the surf to cash formula, or they're being a bit lazy, or they don't want to join Power Lead system. Then you give them an option. This is a kind of a mini version. Okay, and at least what you're doing is, if they've refused to get set up on the other surf to cash formula, then you can offer them this. At least you're getting them into the free lead system, because eventually down the road, once they see your success, they'll take another look at it. Okay, so you don't lose your leads, you don't lose, you know, that interest. You know, they keep using the system, they build up, and then they can leverage up, and you can promote them the surf to cash formula down the road, or you can promote them other things. But you know, this can definitely help people to build up their leads and to earn commissions, because they still get the commissions from the ClickBank. Okay, so you still get the commissions from ClickBank, but you also get the commissions potentially from them upgrading into Lead Lightning and then into the Power Lead system. So you get those commissions as well. And also when they join Viral Traffic, when you join Viral Traffic Rush and you put in your link to promote in there, you'll be able to you know, potentially earn commissions in Viral Traffic Rush, but you'll also be able to earn from whatever link you put in there of your own deal, and then that will be good there. Okay, so anyway, this is just a scaled down version, kind of a unique way of just, you know, giving out something fresh. You know, people like to have a download, kind of, it feels more tangible. That you can share this out however you want to share it out. I don't care. I've put in the free lead system because I think that that's what you want to leverage up. You want to at least get them into the system, so eventually down the road you can still hopefully get them into the Power Lead system and have them upgrade. And you know, you can also share this page out directly, as long as you've got, you know, just copy the full URL down. You can also go to a what do you call it, a URL shortener service, free URL shortener service. Just search on Google for a free URL shortener, and you can shorten the URL or whatever and share that out. So this page will be branded to you once you put your PDF link in there. Okay, so congratulations. I think this is a good system. Welcome aboard, and hope you like it. I might even make some more of these kind of viral pages as options to you know, create a kind of a fresh look. But you know, I think you know, this is going to be a good little system, okay, for people to promote, collect leads, build up, start small, you know, get set up easily, and not have to do too many things each day because they're busy or whatever. Because the, you know, 100% of this can be done on autopilot because of the Viral Lightning software that you can download. So yeah, I've purposely, you know, added in only the safe lists that work with that traffic bot. So you're not actually going to be spending much time each day. Like literally, you could spend, you know, 25 pages a day on the traffic ad bar. Won't take you long, probably less than 5 minutes. And emailing out every evening. That's really about it. That's all you're doing. So you know, emailing out takes me, when I go through these, it would probably take you about less than, again, 5 minutes. Well, no, a bit longer, probably. I think if you put in a half an hour into this every single day, you're doing more than you need. Okay, so you know, anyone who complains about putting in a couple of hours or 3 hours or whatever into the self to cash formula, then this system is a lot easier. It's not as powerful. Okay, I'm not creating a system here that is an alternative to the surf to cash formula. I'm certainly not saying that this is better than the surf to cash formula. Something new, something different, something perhaps easier for some people, something fresh, as I say, but giving people a way to have an alternative if they've refused to use the surf to cash formula because they didn't want to join Power Lead System at first because it was too pricey. So they just gave up using it completely. This system is 100% free. Okay. Anyway, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and get on the link below and you'll be able to get started. And make sure you watch the videos, guys. Cheers. Bye for now.